Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 bicycle V-brake direct mount. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected Union Jack Bike C-type caliper brakes. Specifications: brand name, Silverock. Model number, brake. Braking system, V-brake, friction wheel brake. Components, caliper brake. Material, aluminum. The item number 2 is Shimano Ultegra R8010 R7010. Specifications: model number, BR8010. Braking system, V-brake, friction wheel brake. Components, caliper brake. Material, light alloy. Use, road bicycles. Size, 168 grams, front, 165 grams, rear. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Cane Creek E-Brakes G4. Specifications: model number, G4. Braking system, V-brake, friction wheel brake. Components, caliper brake. Material, light alloy. Size, V-brake. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.